So we're back here at the beach and it is windy. Just gonna go on and see what we can do. Alright, so yeah, this is gonna be interesting, but we're about to get started. See if we can find anything. It's crazy windy. First hit is a very strong 12. Right there, nothing good. Got some foil. I think I was getting another hit over here, so let's see. There's 6 more foil. One's gonna blow it. About 30-31. We all know what that probably is, but dig it anyways. As we figured. Pull tab. 30s and 40. Can. Got about a 4 here. Nice. Sweet. Let's see. I don't see any stamps on it, so it's probably just fake. Hey. Cool. Right next to it, we got a 20s. Oh, nice. No way. I don't know what it is. I just see gold. Earring. Don't see any stamps. Probably just cheap. But hey. Here we are with the 20s again. So there might have been both of them, and that'd be, yep, right there. Be nice if they were something. I think that's the first matching set of earrings I've found in a while, at least. Sweet. 55, 60. $78. Probably a tent stake. Big old tent stick. And another pull tab. It looked like it was going to hit behind us, but as you can see, it's starting to rain and there might be a storm of brewing, so we're probably about to pack it up and head back. starting to rain pretty good. It's clearing out the beach. I don't know whether to stay or pack it up and head back. We shall see. You kind of see it there behind me. I'm still gonna walk back to the car, so I don't know, it'll be wet either way. Might see what we can find. We got about 40 minutes left. Around 18 to 20s. You probably hear the thunder in the background. It is the other direction, or I would have headed out. A solid 16. I think there's 2 things in that hole. Now we're getting a 32. 35, 40. Screaming 34. I think it's in the scoop. I don't know if it fell out earlier. Yeah, keeps falling out. It's got to be tiny. I don't know if it'd be an earring or. Let's see. Might have to take this one to the water and hope it doesn't wash out of the scoop. We got it there. Just hope it stays on the scoop. It's like a gold bead. It's kind of scratchy. 20s, 40s, pretty loud. All right. Bottle cap. And of course, there it is, as we figured. All right. Very loud. Numbers make me think penny. Sounds a little louder than that normally. Or sounds a lot louder than a penny normally does. Could have just been not deep at all. Yep. All right, penny. Another 60s, 70s. if that got it. Gotta be another penny. A dime. Maybe there's a penny down there too. I don't know. Now we got an 88 over here, probably a quarter. There's something over there too. Oh. I don't mind ending the day on some change. Quarter. 1977. All over the place, but screaming. And that scoop. Put that out. Right there. What is that? Zipper. All right, we are back after that short trip through the wind and rain. We did manage to find a couple of decent, exciting finds. Doesn't always turn out to be real stuff, but that's what keeps you going for when it actually is. So it was exciting. You know, none of the stuff is really worth anything, but it was good getting out and seeing that in the scoop. So let's go over everything we found. Starting with the junk pile, we found 2 tent stakes, 2 pull tabs, random piece of metal, zipper, bottle cap, and then over here to the better finds, we've got this bracelet, the matching set of earrings, little gold bead, a quarter, a dime, and a penny. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, if you don't mind giving us a thumbs up, that would help us out a lot. And then if you want to see more like this, if you don't mind subscribing, and we will catch y'all in the next one.